As Michael Myers would say, it's mail day, mail day, mail day. Check this out. We won this from Klummps Kards. We'll try to put a link into his channel. He's got a cool channel. I watch his channel all the time. But I won a contest here. These were repack cards that somebody was putting together, and I ended up winning a pack. So we got an 87 Topps, Reggie, Steve Carlton, Fred Brown, Cal Ripken, George Brett, Pete Rose. Ah, cool. Brooks Robinson, Joe Washington, Ahmad Rashad, Joyce DeWitt from Three's Company, and a Nolan Ryan, and Andre Dawson. Cool. That's no PG too. But yeah, those repacks, I can't remember who was selling them, but there's supposed to be like a star card in every pack or something. I mean, like they're supposed to be all stars and not commons. But that's cool. Got it from Klummps Kards. Like I said, check out his channel. Go like and subscribe his stuff. Like I said, he's a really good channel. I check it out all the time. That's awesome, dude. Thanks. And then I have been waiting for this since December 23rd. I bought it on December 27th. And I just got it in the mail today. You're not going to believe what this is. This is 106 cards. 106 different 1954 cards. And they're all autographed. You guys know I like my vintage. Look at this. But they've been trimmed. But these cards are in like perfect condition. Like I said, if you look at these things, the color, there's no bends. They look like they just came out of the packs, but somebody trimmed them in the 50s. They got them signed and they trimmed them. But they're awesome. Look at that. I've never had an Ed Yost autograph before. I mean, look at this stuff. This is freaking awesome. I mean, these are guys that, you know, that were probably, most of these guys were probably deceased when I was getting autographs, like in the 80s and 90s. Like I said, I'm going to go through every one of these and find out, like, what year they deceased and mark it what year they died and stuff. But I'm just a huge baseball historian, and I just love baseball. I love vintage. I love old school stuff. Look at this. This is like amazing. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And like I said, I've been itching to get these. I kept thinking, man, this guy's going to, you know, not send those to me, or they're going to get lost in the mail. You know how your mind gets whenever you're sitting there waiting and waiting and waiting. Look at all this. There's 106 different autographed 1954 cards. Holy cow. I got over half of the set right now. It's a 1954 partial set. Wow, this is the guys that either I recognize their names or they're Hall of Famers. Why can't I get over? There we go. This is awesome. Look at that. Early win, Hall of Famer. Joe Garagiola. Johnny Pesky. Del Ennis. Gus Bell. I've always wanted a Gus Bell autograph. Carl Ferrullo. Andy Pafko. Don Larson. Look at that. Joe Adcock. Joe Nuxall. He was, I think he came up to big leagues when he was like 16 or something. Enos Country Slaughter. The autograph on that is really faint. You can see it if you hold it the right way. George Kell. Gene Woodling. Jimmy Pearsall. Walt Droppo. Bobby Shantz. Look at that. I don't have to bug him to get that signed. It's already signed. Smokey Burgess. I've never had a Smokey Burgess autograph. Del Crandall. Alvin Dark. Johnny Groff. I actually have a TTM out to him right now for a 52 tops, I believe. Vern Law. Look at his autograph back in the 50s. It's changed a little bit. It's gotten a lot better now. But people's autograph changes. Because, I mean, you can see his autograph down here at the bottom. It matches up pretty good to that right there. Lou Burdett. Yeah, I know all these guys. These are awesome. Virgil Trucks. Ernie Johnson. Rocky, what is it, Rocky Bridges? Yeah, look at that, Rocky Bridges. The original Frank Thomas. I don't have to bug him for that either. Wow, I am so pumped, dude. This is, like I said, this is the, look at this. These are more. Holy cow. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I am so happy. Look at that. There's a Cleveland Indian. Let's see who he is. Dale Mitchell. I'm sure Haas and Reindeer Studios would know who that is. Wow. Stu Miller. Yes, I feel like I'm in a museum. I feel like I should have gloves on, like looking through these. Like I said, I'm speechless and stunned. I mean, this is like, I was so happy when I got these. And like I said, I don't care that they're trimmed. I mean, like, I'm buying them for the autographs. I mean, even if they were index cards, you know, they're just these guys on index cards would be nice. But it, like I said, it does devalue the cards a little bit. But still, vintage signatures on vintage cards, it's still going to command a premium. I'm going to see about getting them all authenticated, like encapsulated, not graded for the card. This one's signed very faintly. You can see it there. But if you hold it in the right light, you can see it. First, I thought that one wasn't signed. There's the Cincinnati Reds, Bobby Adams. Nice. There's another Pirate. I know Math Bowler and Michael Myers will know who that is. Who's this? Paul LaPalme? I don't know who that is. I wasn't born in the 50s, so. Wow. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Hey, there's another Cleveland Indian. Mike Garcia. Nice. Wow. Like I said, guys, I'm speechless. This is like the coolest thing that I have ever purchased in my life. Here's the funny story about these. I saw these on eBay, and I was thinking, there's no way I can afford these. These things are going to go for way too much money. And like I said, I cannot believe, look, and this one was cool because there's actually 2 more autographs on the back. They put tape on them to try to, you know, preserve the autograph, but I'm not sure who signed them back there. It's not Mickey Mantle, I don't think. That almost looks like Minnie Minosa. I don't know. I'll have to look at it a little closer. But anyway, I didn't think I was going to be able to afford these. And I saw them up for bid. There was 106 of them. And the minimum bid, actually, I didn't think it was a minimum bid. I thought it was somebody had already bid, because it was a weird minimum bid, like $379 or $89 or something. And I thought, well, I'm just going to put a bid on this because I want to see what it goes for, because I know it's going to go for more than $400. It's probably going to go into thousands. So I was like, well, I'll go ahead and put a bid on it just so I can see what it goes for. Lo and behold, I won it for the minimum opening bid of $300 and some dollars. With tax and shipping and everything, I paid $407 for 106. Look at that. 106 1954 Bowman cards. Holy cow. Like I said, I'm still stunned. Like I said, I'm speechless. Oh, it's just, like I said, I love it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, that's the greatest thing that I have ever purchased in my life. Let me know what you guys think about the purchase. Do you think it was a good deal? Like I said, it ended up being, it was like, I think it was like $3.80 a card or something like that. I don't think you could buy the card just to get signed for that. And like I said, a lot of these players have been deceased for a long time, I'm sure. But yeah, like I said, there's 200 cards in that set. I have 106 of them autographed. So I guess I'm working on the 54 Bowman set. So if you have any 54 Bowman autographs, let me know. I'll trade you out of some of them if I don't have them. But all right, guys, I just want to share that stuff. And I want to also thanks to Klummps Kards. Make sure you go give him his channel some love. He's a cool dude. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you subscribe, please hit the all. And we have all kinds of cool videos just like this one coming up. Have a good one, guys. Peace.